Hello students, we have learned creating series using list. Now let us learn creating series using two different lists. That means you can create a series using two different lists, and out of the two lists, one will be the index and the other will be the value. So two different lists. As for example, I will explain to you. Here we have only one list, that is the list of colors. This is a list. It has not been converted into series. It is a simple list. Here we have 4 colors and the name of the list is colors. Now let us check this program. You can see here the output is in the form of a list. And keep in mind, in this example, it is a list of string. So now let us try to create another list which stores numbers. Suppose, for example, the list of people. So the number of peoples. So let me just assign any numbers here as a list. This is just a simple example to create a list of numbers. Here, the name of the list is numbers. So we are assigning 4 or 5 numbers as you wish. So here let me assign the number randomly. You can assign any numbers as you want. So here, since there are 4 colors, the numbers also should be 4. Because one of these will be the index and the other will be the values. So here we are printing those numbers. Now you can see in the output, the first is the list of colors and the next is the list of numbers of people. So here now we have the two different lists. As we know, one of the two lists will be the index and the other will be the values. So now let us try to create a series using these two lists. That means the list color and the list numbers. So now we will convert into a new series. So before that, we have to import pandas because we are using series method. So to convert list into series, we need the series method. So here I am just assuming that colors will be the values and index as numbers. It is up to you whether you want colors to be index and numbers to be values or vice versa. This is just to illustrate on how to create a series using two different lists. So it doesn't matter, it's up to you to choose which one will be the index and which one will be the values. Suppose now here I change colors into index. So index now will be the colors because I want to see how many people like this particular color. So let's run the program. Now here you can see first is the list of colors, then the list of numbers of people. And finally we have the series in 2 columns. The first column is the colors, which is the index. And for each colors there are numbers. That means the number of people who like that colors. These are the values. So you can see each colors have got a different number of peoples. Now let me just modify this code a little bit so that it will be easy for you to read the output. So here I'll add one more line as a heading. So the series using two lists. So I'll just write like this, the series using two lists. So that means in line number 12 and line number 13 are the codes for the series using two lists. As simple as that. Just because of this one line of code in line number 12, Now we are combining the two lists which we created just now for colors and numbers. Now we are getting the output as series with two columns. One column is for the index, which is the colors, and another column is the numbers, which are the values. My dear students, that's all for this topic. Keep practicing and keep learning. We shall meet again in the next video with another topic.